going on, YouTube? Back again with another video on the C4 Corvette. Hopefully be kind of a short video. In my last video, in replacing the valve cover gaskets, the pigtail on my alternator finally just fell all the way apart. It's been cracked for a while. It finally just came apart. So I went to AutoZone, got another pigtail, number 237. So we're going to get this installed and hopefully get everything working back the way it's supposed to. Let me get set up on the other side and I'll bring y'all back. Alright, here's my new pigtail. I'll show you a picture of what the broken one looks like right now. So my clips on my or not the clips, but the little spade connectors inside the pigtail aren't damaged, and I would like to reuse those and not have to splice into my wiring harness. So I'm going to try to show you how to take this apart, and hopefully everything works. So the first thing you're going to do with this one here has a little like safety clip. And I'm just going to push that little white piece in, slide it out. It's got a little waterproof boot on the bottom. Pull that out. This one just came apart easy. Alright, so they came apart, but they have little clips right here. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a little teeny little clip right there. So maybe I can show you on this one, the one that's left in there. I'm using just a safety pin. What you want to do is just reach up in here and push down and pull right out. So I just want to reuse this piece with my clips. So basically I'm going to try to get this off so I can reuse these clips right here. And I already disconnected my battery, so you can see right there. So let me see if I can get this plastic piece off, and I'll bring you all right back. Alright, so here is the old one. The old waterproofing insert. So what I did was just take each wire out of here and put it in the corresponding hole on this side so I can keep them separated. So next is to try to get these to go in the right spots inside there. Y'all can see that. So I'm gonna start with the big one first. See if I can get it to go. Which may be kind of a pain. I just don't want to have to splice into my wiring harness. Alright, so that's one. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm trying to do the best I can here. I don't have a whole lot of wire to play with right here, so I'm having trouble. Alright, so what I ended up having to do was remove this bracket that goes right here so I can get a little more wire right there. Alright, so you take and slide it right in the hole right beside the red one. You should hear a click when it gets all the way in there. should. In this case, I'm not hearing no click. Make sure we got it the right way. Sometimes you gotta pull up one of these little tabs that's on there so it locks in. Try it again. Slide it up in there. I'm not gonna hear no click. Alright, let's try the next one. It's not clicking for some reason. Let me try to bend it up a little bit. Make sure we get a good click. So it stays in place. Without it clicking, it won't slide in to the female part of it. I ain't quite sure what's going on. Alright, so my battery died in my camera. So I got everything in there. They're not really clicking into place too good. I'm not sure what the reason is for that right at the moment, but I'm hoping when I put the locking clip in, it just holds them in place. So like I said, here's the little locking clip. We'll slide it back in here. Hope everything stays in put. Alright, let's see if we can get everything plugged back up now. This thing is a little bit of a pain to get in. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get it or not. Alright, so now all you gotta do is put your bracket back on and you're good to go. Hope this video helped somebody. Please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching.